Welcome back students to Smashub web development course. In this tutorial, we will know about the various CSS borders that we have talked about in the CSS box model tutorial. The CSS border properties allow you to specify the style, width, and color of an element's border. First is the CSS border style. The border style properties specifies what kind of border has to be displayed. The border style property can have from 1 to 4 values, that is for the top border, right border, bottom border, and the left border. The various border style properties that are allowed are dotted, that defines a dotted border, dashed, that defines a dashed border, solid, it defines a solid border, double, it defines a double border, groove, it is used to define a 3D grooved border. The effect depends on the border color value. Ridge, ridge is used to define a 3D ridged border. The effect depends on the color value. Inset, it is used to define a 3D inset border. The effect also depends on the border color value. Outset, it defines a 3D outset border. The effect defines on the border color value. None, it defines no border. Hidden, it is used to define a hidden border. Now let us see using an example. In this code, I have used all values of border styles that we saw just few seconds back. Also notice that I have used a mix style where 4 different values are used, that is dotted, dashed, solid and double. Now let us save it, and when we run this code we see that all the different types of border styles are being implemented here. Next is the CSS border width. The border width property specifies the width of the 4 borders. The width can be set as a specific size or by using one of the 3 predefined values, that is thin, medium or thick. Now let us see more using the example. You will see in this example that I have used border style along with border width, as this property does not work alone. So always remember to specify the border style property to set the borders first. Now in the first style attribute, a border of 5 pixels will be displayed around the text. In the second one, a medium-sized border will be displayed, while in the third, a dotted border of 2 pixels will be printed. In the fourth style attribute, thick dotted border is printed, and in the fifth, 2 borders of 15 pixels will be displayed, while in the sixth, thick double borders are printed. In the seventh border style, I have specified the side widths, that is 25 pixels top, 10 pixels right, 4 pixels bottom and 35 pixels left. In the last style attribute, I have mentioned only 2 widths, that is 20 pixels and 5 pixels. This means that 20 pixels top and bottom and 5 pixels on the other sides will be displayed. And this is the body section. Now when we run this code, we see that the borders are displayed. In the next video, we will learn more about the border properties. Thank you.